Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add on reels onto Instagram account. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the plus icon. Click on next. Tap on tag people. Click on here and type here to another ID name. Share. And first log out this ID and log into another account. And tap on here, tap on notification, and then finally click on accept. Okay, now done. That's how easily add on reels on to Instagram account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial live channel for more video.